Good morning, students. Myself Gitika Kalra, and today we are going to continue with our chapter, that is chapter number 2. The title of the chapter is Components of Food. Now, today we are going to start with the topic carbohydrates. First of all, what are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are our energy giving food. These carbohydrates are very energy rich food. They provide us a huge amount of energy. Carbohydrates are the hydrates of carbon. Now let us see some sources of carbohydrates. Now students, these are some very important sources of carbohydrate like cereals, potatoes and bananas. One simple form of carbohydrate is sugar. We eat sugar each and every day, and these are some important sources of carbohydrate. What are the functions of carbohydrate? Carbohydrates provide us energy, make our meal feeling tempting and also mouth watering. All of us love sugar. Now, how can we test that a given food product contains carbohydrate? Now, here is an activity to test the presence of carbohydrate, or we can say a simple form of carbohydrate is starch in a food stuff. Take a small amount of boiled potato. As we know that potato contains carbohydrate, so we are taking a boiled potato in a petri dish and mash it. You can see here we have taken a small amount of potato in a dish. Okay, add a few drops of iodine solution of black color. What do you observe? This color will changes to blue black. The iodine will change the color of the potato also to blue black. So by the help of iodine we can confirm the presence of starch in a food stuff. Now you have understood about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy. They provide us a large amount of energy to do work, and they are released in our stomach. Next topic is fats. Fats are our energy bank, which provides energy to the body. Fats are stored in a body and energy can be obtained from them. Some animals like deer, whale, they store energy in the form of fat. Fat also provide insulation. Other than energy, the main important function of fat is that it also provides insulation. You can see here some sources of fat like oil, butter, nuts, milk and meat. These all are good sources of fat. Now next, what are the functions of fat? Fats are the richest source of energy. Fats keep our body warm. They insulate our body against loss of heat. They also protect our body from germs, means from any harm. Fat are the richest source of energy. They keep our body warm. They insulate means protect. They insulate our body against loss of heat. They protect our body from germs. Now how will you test the presence of fat in a food stuff? It can be easily done. You know that if you have a paratha or a puri, and if you wrap that food item in a newspaper or in any other paper, that paper becomes oily. So fat can be easily tested as it leaves a greasy spot on the paper. Now next are what are proteins. Proteins are the body building food. Proteins are responsible for growth of our body. In our body there are cells present. So when old cells die, new cells are formed, and these new cells require protein. These are the building blocks of our body. Some sources of protein are milk, vegetables, fish, green salad and eggs. Milk is not only a good source of protein, but it also makes our bones and teeth strong. So dear students, you should take at least 2 glasses full of milk each and every day. Now let us see what are the functions of protein. Protein help in proper growth and development. They are the important constituents of our hair, nails. Proteins also form the hemoglobin, the red pigment in the blood. You know about Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a red pigment that is present in the blood, and this hemoglobin is also made up of protein. Next, proteins help to repair injured body parts and worn out tissues. So now you understood, proteins help in proper growth. Proteins is an important constituent of our hair, nails, skin. Proteins form hemoglobin, and this hemoglobin helps in transfer of oxygen and carbon dioxide in our body. Proteins helps to repair injured body parts. Now next is, how will you test the presence of protein in a food stuff? For this, take a little egg white. Egg contains two parts, white and yellow. So take white part. White part of egg is rich in protein and yellow part is rich in fat. So take a little egg white in a test tube, add a few drops of Millen's reagent to it, then boil it. The egg white turns semi-solid and pink in color. This confirms the presence of protein in the egg white. Here is a figure you can see this egg white with Millen's reagent. Now, so students, I hope you all have understood about carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Now, stay safe, stay home and be healthy. Thank you.